You have 500,000 naira sitting in your account. What if I told you that by 2026, that money could grow without running a business, without stress, and without gambling on scams? In this video, I'll show you 5 smart, Security and Exchange Commission approved ways to invest 500,000 naira in Nigeria step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This video is for salary earners, NYSC members, small business owners, anyone in Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, or anywhere in Nigeria who has 500,000 naira and wants their money to work harder. First, money market funds. This is one of the safest investments in Nigeria. Your money is invested in Treasury bills, fixed deposits, and short-term government securities, managed by professionals. Top fund managers include ARM, Stanbic IBTC, FBN Quest, and AfroInvest. For example, investing 500,000 naira at about 12 to 15% annually could earn you roughly 60,000 naira in 1 year without touching the money. Next, Treasury bills. These are short-term loans you give to the federal government of Nigeria. 10 years are usually 91, 182, or 364 days. In 2026, Treasury bills remain attractive due to inflation. For example, investing 500,000 naira for 364 days at 14% earns you about 70,000 naira. No stress, no market panic. Third, the Nigerian stock market. This is where patience pays. Blue chip stocks like Dangote Cement, MTN Nigeria, and GTCO have rewarded long-term investors with dividends and growth. A smart approach is to split 500,000 naira across strong companies and hold for 3 to 5 years. Stocks carry risk, but with diversification, they can outperform savings. Fourth, fintech and digital savings apps. Apps like PiggyVest, Currywise, ReasyVest, Bambao, and Chaka let you invest directly from your phone. For example, you could put 300,000 naira into Currywise mutual funds and 200,000 naira into PiggyVest SafeLock, earning steady interest while staying disciplined. Finally, federal government savings bonds. These are designed for everyday Nigerians. You can start from as little as 5,000 naira with tenures of 2 to 3 years. They are perfect if you want safety, predictable income, and government backing. Smart investors don't put all the eggs in one basket. Here's a simple example. 200,000 naira in money market funds, 150,000 naira in treasury bills, 100,000 naira in stocks, 50,000 naira in fintech savings. This balance helps you grow while managing risk. Always invest with Security and Exchange Commission registered platforms. If returns sound too good to be true, run. No legitimate investment doubles your money in 1 month. Which of these options fits you best? Drop it in the comments, like, subscribe, and share this video with someone whose money is sleeping in their account. Your money should work for you, not the bank.